Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. I hope you're in the mood for really affordable, really cool, romantic goth, fetish goth, spooky stuff, because that's what we're gonna try on today. I found the most amazing things on Romwe and I think these would be some of the best things to get on Black Friday if that's your thing. I don't personally like Black Friday because I don't like mindlessly buying things I don't like or need just because they are cheap. Different from what people might think, judging from these videos, my main goal when I film them is to give people more information because I know firsthand how difficult it is to buy things online, and since I'm in a kind of privileged position because I can collaborate with brands because of Instagram, I like to film videos like this to help people choose better when they're buying online so they don't have to keep things or waste money on things they don't like. But for this video I found so many things that are just perfect and really affordable that I think you should run, not walk, before they sell out, because things on Romwe tend to sell out really fast. But I checked this morning and everything was still in stock. So let's start with the first thing. Although I know you might be here for the vampy romantic stuff, I'm gonna make you wait a little bit and we're gonna start with this cardigan that I have here. And so far I think it's even better than it looks like on their web. This is what it looks like on. So far it's really comfy, really warm, it's quite thick and it's very soft. I got the smallest size, but I'm not sure if it was a small or an extra small. I just know that it fits really nicely. It's not tight, but it doesn't look too big in the sense that it looks like it's not mine. I think it looks really good, and maybe the only thing is that the sleeves are not super long, so I'm very short. And maybe someone who's taller also has longer arms. Just keep that in mind when you're picking your size, because maybe sizing up for that reason would be a good idea. For me it's perfect, but since I'm very short I thought it would be good to mention that. Anyway, this is what it looks like on the back. And here it is again. I know it's not Halloween anymore, unfortunately, but I like to wear things like this all year long, and probably you do too if you're here. So yeah, I'm not sure if I should give things ratings again because I used to do that and I think it's fun. So I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10 because it's really cute and I like it a lot. Moving on to the next thing, I found this belt, which is, you're gonna see, it's perfect. I love it. It was affordable, and the best thing about it is that it is completely adjustable, so you can make it as big or as small as you want because it has all of this chain. I hope this sounds not too annoying, but it is just perfect. I usually struggle finding belts that fit me, but thankfully this one is a perfect fit because I can adjust it as much as I want on the back and it looks just perfect. I love the crosses, love the chains. It's not heavy at all. I know when they're heavy they're slightly higher quality, but since there's a lot going on, I'm kind of grateful that the material is a little thinner and lightweight because it makes it more comfortable to wear. So I think it's not going to be a surprise that I'm going to give this one again a 10 out of 10 because there's absolutely nothing but I can say about it. The next thing is something I'm really excited about, and you will know why once you see it. It is this. I would call this a duster. I have it here, and although I don't really know how to classify this, I think it's so versatile that it would look great with a lot of different styles. So let's put this on. I think it will be good with the outfit I'm wearing right now. And let's see if it fits, because I haven't tried this one on yet. And let's see what we'll think about it. You know how Romwe sizes are usually very big? Well, it's not the case with this one. It's quite tight, it fits perfectly. I'm personally very happy about the fit because I struggle to find things that aren't super loose on my arms, and this one, even if it's not extremely tight in the sense that it's uncomfortable, it is tight in a good way and I love it. I know it's stretchy, so wait, let me show you. It is stretchy, so it's not uncomfortable at all. I can do whatever I want with my arms, but it looks really nice. And then you can close it with this ribbon here, but it doesn't close that much. I think it's more, definitely not like a winter thing, but more of a spring, autumn thing to add to your outfits if you're feeling a little cold. I personally think it's super beautiful and flattering. It automatically makes an outfit stand out, especially because of the furry parts. This is not your usual fur material. It's more like raggedy and weird, but I like it. I think it looks better once you're wearing it. I think it gives a really cool effect and I'm really happy with it. I wasn't sure what to expect because I wasn't sure if the material was going to be nice or itchy or something. But so far, quality-wise, I'm surprised in a good way. It looks and feels perfect, and I'm really happy with the design and the sizing because I usually have problems with Romwe, but this time I found a couple of things that were a little bit smaller than you usually expect from Romwe. If you're new to Romwe, the best advice I can give you is to check their size charts always. Their sizes are not consistent at all, but their size charts are really accurate. So for example, I have a small from them that's way too small for me, and then I have an extra small that's huge. So always check their size charts to make sure you're getting a perfect fit, because you can't really get your usual size and expect it to fit. All in all, I'm really happy about this one, and I think you won't be surprised when I tell you I'm gonna give this one again a 10 out of 10, which is making me reconsider the idea of ratings because it's getting boring to say everything is perfect. And at the same time, it might make you think that I am hyping these things way too much. But to be honest, when there's something I don't like about an item, I tell you. I've been collaborating with Romwe for a very long time and they don't care about what I say in these videos. Besides, I got these things for a collaboration on Instagram, so I'm just doing this video for fun and because I think some of these things are super cool. And I thought those of you who are not following me on Instagram should have a chance to see them as well. So whenever there's something I don't like, I will tell you. But as usual, this is like a first impressions video. If something breaks down after use or I find something that I don't like about one of these things, I will try to update it in the description box and in the comments. Next, we're going to talk about something you've already seen. I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but the tights that I'm wearing are also from Romwe, and I think they're super cute. I love the spiderweb design. I know on their store they are shown with the spiders on the front, but I like it more with a seam at the back. I think it's very elegant and cute, and I really like the design. I'm really happy with them. The only bad thing I can say about them is that they feel a little bit loose, in the sense that I have a feeling that after a while they would start falling down a little bit, but it's not too bad. So for that reason, I'm gonna give them a 9 out of 10. Now, as promised, we're gonna start with the more vampy romantic stuff, and some of you may have seen this if you watched my previous video where I did a bunch of makeup tutorials. In case you're looking for makeup tutorials, I did 3 in that video and 3 Monster High inspired looks. So you might be familiar with this one already, but here it is, and here is what it looks like. I really hope you can see the color because it's stunning in real life. I just put this one on, but we also need a skirt to finish the look. So for that I picked this one, and it is here. I'm honestly surprised to find something like this on Romwe, so let's try it on. Now I'm wearing both things and I have thoughts. So although I know both things overlap a little bit, let's start with the top. So let's focus on this one for now. I'm not super happy with the fit because it's obviously meant for a different body type. I have a very small waist but bigger hips, so I think it's not that it's small in here, but it's definitely tight in a way that I don't like things to be tight in here. I think it gives you a very weird look. I prefer something more loose in that area, unless it's a bodycon dress, and then it's very loose around the waist, giving me a very weird body, especially if you see me like this. It's super loose in here, like I'm not exaggerating, it's really all this, and I'm not even stretching it. Although I love the design so much, I have to admit that it's made for a different body type and it doesn't look good on me. So although this is something I was looking for a very long time, I'm not really happy about the fit. I don't think it's flattering on me. I think if it was shorter at the back and then longer at the front, it would accentuate my waist a little bit instead of making it look like round here, and then it would have this beautiful part in here. I think I forgot to say, but it is stretchy, so it's not that it's tight, it's just that it makes my body look off. So now for the rating, I think I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. I love the design, the quality is really good, the fabric looks perfect in real life, but unfortunately this doesn't look good on me. I think for someone with a different body type this could work very well, but for me it is a no, because I don't think I look that good with it. Let's lift this up a little bit so you can see the skirt better. I think I'm having the same problem with it, although it's not as bad. It is really big on the waist, it is stretchy as well, so it could very well be a couple of inches smaller and it would look a lot better, at least on me. I'm really happy about how it fits. on my hips. The rest of the skirt is gorgeous. The fabric is really soft and it looks really good. It doesn't look cheap at all. But unfortunately, it's just made for a different body type. I think this would be easier to fix because in this case I just have to make this a little tighter on the waist. So I'm definitely gonna fix this one because I think it's gorgeous. With all that said, I'm gonna give the skirt a 9 out of 10 because the fit is not so bad or so weird. And the fabric, the quality, the design, everything is perfect. So I think it would be wrong to give it less than a 9. And now to complete the outfit, I got this, which I have here. So let's put it on if I can. And let's see what we think about it. I think this one's straight up big. Although the arms are okay, I think this part in here is way too big. Not that I want it to be extremely tight or skin tight, but I think it looks a little bit off. And because there's so much extra fabric here and then it's only tied around my hips, it looks like my body's more like a block. So again, fabric wise, quality wise, design wise, everything is perfect. But I think this one, it's not just the wrong kind of fit or body type. This one is a little bit too big for me. It's not really my size, but I still wanted to get it to show you guys. I am very short, that's why I wear a very small size. So most people wouldn't have this problem, and this is such a great find that I am tempted to fix it because I love it and it matches the skirt perfectly and I really want this outfit together. I have no idea how to sew beyond some basic DIY stuff, so I don't want to ruin it, but I think it's really worth it to fix it because it's a really good quality outfit. It's really nice, the design is lovely, but unfortunately it's a tiny bit big for me. I'm not really sure how I should rate this one because it's clearly not my size. It's not just design problem as the top. I couldn't get the top in a smaller size because then it would be too small for my hips. So this time the design is perfect, it's just that it's not the right size for me. For that reason, I'm gonna give it a 9 because this being the smallest size is not ideal. I know they have a very restricted size range for some items and I cannot blame them because from a business point of view, I know it makes sense to go for the sizes in between that are the most common, but still I wish they had more like extra small sizes or smaller sizes in their more elegant vampy goth section, because this is exactly what I like to wear and it's almost impossible to find things that fit me. And if you are plus size or you wear a bigger size, I know it's difficult to find things on Romwe because it's not as easy to see them. Instead of going to the goth section, just type long velvet skirt, black velvet skirt, lace velvet, things like that will show you the best plus size items. I know the fit of those 3 things unfortunately wasn't the best for me, but I can promise you those are designs I would expect from brands like Dark and Loft that are extremely expensive, and not from Romwe, that's one of the most affordable places ever. And if you use my code, which is 15BEST, you will get it even cheaper. So I strongly recommend it if you have a different body type or if you know how to alter clothes and you can make them suit you better, because honestly it's not that they are badly designed, it's just that I don't have the most standard body type and unfortunately those weren't good for me. But let's hope the next one is. I got this top, which I think it's really cute, and I have it here. So let's try it on and let's see if it looks better than this one. What do you guys think? I think once more it's not my size. I knew this already, but this was the smallest they offered, so I have to get it because I really like the design and I was hoping it would fit me better. But unfortunately I can only wear it with a bra underneath because it's really big. And you can see this is supposed to be tight because it's very stretchy and it's not even like it's loose on me. I don't know, is it that bad or can I wear this? I'm not sure about this one. I really like it, but it was a tiny bit smaller so it would look better on me. Other than that, let's focus on the design and quality because this is probably what you guys are interested in. The fabric is the softest thing I've ever touched, especially the one on the back. I love it. This is one of the reasons why I just want to keep it because the mesh here is the best ever. Then the faux leather is also stretchy, really good, and this lacy part is also really cute. It is opaque, so it's not see-through, but the fabric here is quite thin, so even if it was my size, probably I wouldn't be able to wear it without a bra anyway. But I've got to say that I'm quite conflicted because this is the perfect top but it's just not my size, and I don't think it's gonna be so easy to fix. So you guys tell me, should I keep it or not? Anyway, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10, only because it's not my size, which is kind of unfair of me. But yeah, I'm pissed that it doesn't come in my size. And now we're moving on to the last item for today, which is this set, although I'm only gonna try on the skirt, which I have here. And this time this is the opposite. This is one of the smallest skirts I've seen on Romwe. When I got it, I was afraid it wouldn't fit, and to be honest, I cannot lift it if I try to put it through my legs. But if I manage to put it on, it's a really good fit. So let me show you. As you can hopefully see, once you manage to put it on, the fit is just perfect, and this is the perfect skirt. I love it, but be warned, this is an extra small, and it runs very small, so it's perfect for me, but it's a little bit smaller than some of the extra smalls I get from places like Widow. So bear that in mind and check the measurements carefully. It's a little bit stretchy, but not too much, so keep that in mind when you're picking a size. Because although I'm personally very happy that it runs small, I know it might be a problem for other people. Now, the skirt itself is perfect. I wasn't expecting something that would look so good in real life. Just let me show you. It's super short, so it's not something I can even wear to go out. But it looks so flattering, the fabric is so shiny, it almost looks like latex, especially because it doesn't have like stitches or anything. So it has the comfort of something like this kind of faux leather that's stretchy like for leggings and all of that, but it has the look of latex, which is not the most comfortable thing to wear, at least for me, but it looks amazing. So I'm extremely happy I decided to get this one because I wasn't sure if it was gonna look good in real life, and it looks a million times better than I expected. And it's a pity that it's so short I cannot wear it to go out because it's my new favorite skirt. I'm gonna quickly show you some of the accessories that come with it. This is a PVC thong, which might not be the most comfortable, but it doesn't look as bad as some others I've seen, so yeah. Then it comes with this super cute PVC bra with spider webs on the boobs. I like it a lot. I tried it on and it looks really nice, but I'm not gonna try it on here. And finally, it comes with this harness because it has this thing for your waist and the skirt is on your waist. I don't think it looks so good with the outfit, so I wouldn't personally wear it together. But I don't think it's bad. The quality on the fabric feels really nice. It's very soft, and most of the parts, like this one for the legs, is adjustable. This one is not, but you can open it so you don't have to put it through your head like I just did. Same with the waist, you can open it as well. And yeah, the other leg is also adjustable. So overall, I think this set is amazing, something really good for the price and something I didn't expect from Romwe. In fact, other places that are way more expensive sell PVC items that aren't as good as this one, and I am surprised because lately some of my favorite PVC items have come from kind of affordable stores like Romwe, so I'm not sure why other brands are not finding these fabrics because they are way better than things you get from way more expensive stores. I think that was everything for today. Just a reminder that you can use my discount code, which is 15VEST, to get 15% off site-wide on Romwe. And also a reminder that although I got all these things gifted for an Instagram collaboration, I'm doing this video just for fun and because I want to show you guys these things. Because I know some of you are not following me on Instagram, and if you're not, what are you waiting for? Because I post a lot more there. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video and you like the items that I picked. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and if you have any questions, I will try to answer as many as possible. But I am studying again, so I'm working and studying and doing all these social network stuff. I don't have a lot of free time, so I can't promise I will answer everyone, but I will do my best. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!